Hey there, students. Ever wondered how artificial intelligence, or AI, is shaking things up in the business world? Today, I'm diving into the AI revolution and its impact on modern businesses. So let's break this down. First off, picture this, a futuristic office where tasks are automated, decisions are data-driven, and innovation is at its peak. That's what AI is bringing to the table. Now let's talk efficiency. Imagine a world where routine tasks like scheduling, data entry, and customer service are handled by smart algorithms. This frees up human employees to focus on more creative and strategic work. Companies like Amazon and Google are using AI to streamline operations and cut costs. Cool, right? Next up, data analytics. Businesses today generate a ton of data. AI helps make sense of this data, spotting trends and patterns that humans might miss. For example, Netflix uses AI to analyze viewing habits and recommend shows you might like. It's like having your own personal assistant who knows you better than you know yourself. But it's not just about efficiency and data. AI is driving innovation too. Take the healthcare industry. AI-powered tools are helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud and manage investments. Practically every sector is being touched by AI in some way. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges too. Ethical concerns, job displacement, and data privacy issues are some of the hurdles we need to overcome. But with the right approach, these can be managed. So what does this mean for you? As future professionals, understanding AI can give you a competitive edge. Whether you're planning a career in business, tech, or any other field, AI is going to be a part of it. To wrap it up, the AI revolution is transforming the business landscape in ways we couldn't have imagined a decade ago. It's making operations more efficient, offering deeper insights through data analytics and sparking groundbreaking innovations. Exciting times ahead, don't you think? All right, that's a wrap for today. Thanks for tuning in. Keep learning and stay curious. Catch you next time.